Alright everyone, today we are going to be putting together the TessaRai two-piece fire table. Comes as a complete kit. We're here in this beautiful showroom in Georgia. We're going to be setting up the rectangle style table. Again, these are a complete kit, so you will have your base unit, the tabletop unit, you have your CSA certified pan and burner. That includes the electronic igniter and the thermocoupler, control panel with your gas knob and push electric start. You have your gas line. Does include an NG conversion kit and written instructions if you want. Even include the battery for the igniter. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. We'll get into that in a minute. You got your bag of lava rock and our flame guard. So all these items are what's included in the TessaRai two-piece fire table kit. So let's get started. We've already moved this inside. So the first thing I like to do is on the inside where the control panels come, there's already going to be holes drilled and there are screws to hold the control panel in place, as you can see. So we're just going to go ahead and unscrew these and get them out. We'll put them back in a minute. So let's take our screws out. Don't lose them. So again, the one good thing about the kit is everything's already done. You will notice that the table does have adjustable feet. The patio isn't level. You can make the legs taller or shorter. So one of the unique features with the TessaRai table is that they do come with adjustable feet. So we got our screws out that are going to control hold the control panel. So now we want to go ahead, and with two people, you should be able to do this in about 30 minutes or less. So we got our base where we want it. We got it leveled. Very carefully, I'm going to take the tabletop part and I'm going to just set it down in place. As you can see, even I can do it by myself, but we don't want to scrape the table. Very easily, I'm going to set it into place, line it up with your interior holes. That way everything is nice and square and straight. And now we're ready for our pan. So it's literally that simple. So we have our pan, gas line, and control panel. Everything's going to go inside the hole. Here's another little tip. What you can do is if you're worried about scraping the top of the table, just go ahead and put a towel down and you can set your pan right on top of your towel. As you can see, I set the pan to the side because we want to hook up our control panel. It will simply slide into the hole where we just took our screws out and then reinsert our screws. So let me get this set into place. All right, it's as easy as that. Let's, over here on the control panel, this is our gas knob, turning on and off. This is our start, so you unscrew the knob, And this is where we would insert our battery. Again, that way you don't have to use a lighter or anything else. Insert your battery and screw back on the top. If you got it in right, it will make a clicking noise just like your grill. All right. Save your bag, your information for your warranty, and your conversion kit if you ever switch to natural gas. All tables do come as LP small tank. If you need to have natural gas or it's hooked up to a big tank at your house, when you order the table, they can switch out the hoses because you will need a different hose for either LP or natural gas. Let's go ahead and very carefully set our pan right inside the pre-cut hole. Nice and easy. Look at that, we are almost finished. We're gonna go right here. I'm gonna do one thing, just gonna double check my gas lines. Set my pan in place. You will get a bag of lava rock. Make a hole. You do not want to cover up the cage. So the top part of the cage needs to be exposed to the air. Very important. So we want just enough lava rock to cover up the fire bar. Alright, I always leave a little bit in the bag until I level this out to see if I need some more. Just push it down nice and level, especially before the lava rock gets hot when you fire it up. And as you can see, we need to put some more in. I'm going to just cover up the bar. On this particular showroom, they want to put tumbled lava rock on top of their fire bar. So again, you always start with the normal lava rock. In this case, we're using small lava rock. Put a nice bed, and you see we still have a little lip because we'll come back and put some tumbled lava rock in there because that's what the customer wants to show. We have that, and after we light it, again, we will have our flame guard. If it gets windy, it helps protect the flame from being blown out and keeps your flame and heat going straight up to where you need it. We'll put that on here in a minute. So we'll wipe everything off. And we are finished. And I will show you the wind guard in 1 second. All right, we got our gas line run to our LP tank with our regulator. That's part of the kit, screwed into our small tank. Also, I went ahead and added a little bit of the tumbled lava rock just to show you a different option. The small lava rock always goes on the burner, and then you can cover it up. You can use fiberglass or you can use tumbled lava rock. In this case, like I said, the dealer wants to use tumbled lava rock. And that's it. It's really 30 minutes, 2 people, probably less. And let's see how it looks. I'm gonna push in the knob. We're gonna turn it till we hear gas. Push our button, and we have our beautiful flames. Now I'm going to turn this down. Now I know we're inside, but I'm going to go ahead and set the flame guard just so you can see. I pre-assembled the flame guard, but basically it is 4 pieces of tempered glass. You have the 90-degree corners. They screw right into place. And you have a completed table. Again, any questions, you have some of your paperwork, or you can always call Tech Services 912-438-1927. Thanks.